Hello everyone. Today I thought I'll brief about the book called Cured by Dr. Jeff Redger. He's a psychiatrist and he's also a TEDx speaker and an author. And he had beautifully explained about spontaneous remissions, which we call miracles. Like, suppose, say, a person is severely ill and their doctor have diagnosed them maybe a life expectancy of 3 more weeks or say 3 months with some terminally with some terminal illness or sickness as such, and they happen to live for more than 10 years or 20 years or 30 years. And certain doctors who are very much interested in this phenomenon which people consider as miracles, right, wanted to study about it. So they have gone through a lot of people who have had severe conditions, severe health issues, and have tried to understand what made some of these people who have uncurable diseases to survive for longer years happily and much healthier than people with the same sort of disease and with the same intensity of the disease. So the thing that Dr. Jeff have mentioned in the book is he starts with people with severe illness, their stories and their diagnosis, and how they have reacted to it, and how they have decided to live the rest of their life. So for some people who they have mentioned in the book that say they live for like 3 months or maybe like 6 months, how they have started living their life. A lot of the things that is mentioned in the book is very, it's in a pace that is very understandable, and I would recommend everyone to read it once, except those who have any sort of severe conditions. Like the doctor have spoken about autoimmune diseases in the book, and I have autoimmune disease. So the whole point is that you try to understand the book, understand the concept that the doctor is trying to introduce to common people, instead of getting triggered or tensed for the reading the cases that we have mentioned in the book. Of course, without case study we cannot explain anything, right? So he have introduced few case studies of certain people with these severe diseases, and he have explained about their recovery stories, their spontaneous remissions. So it's a very interesting book, and it's the way the doctor have portrayed the lives of certain people with severe diseases. It gives us hope to understand that there is a chance even for the person who have been diagnosed with something severe. Everybody has got a chance, and it depends on our mindset. A lot of the books, a lot of the health books that I have came across, they have mentioned everything about willpower and mindset. And in my own life, when I've been dealing with health issues, the one thing that helped me the most is my mindset. When I made the shift in my mindset, everything worked. This book deserves to be read, deserves to be known, because for a lot of people in today's world, where people have a lot of health issues due to a lifestyle and due to our stress and anxiety and tensions, it is always better if we can find ways to improve ourselves, and for that books like these help.